So guys, we're in the mixing room and I just wanted to do a quick video to show you my guns. This is the latest one I've got, the Pro Light. I've currently got the 1.2 set up in it, and I've got the TE10 air cap on. I'm really feeling this gun at the minute. Every job I do is coming out well. And then I've had this Supernova for a few years now. It's the WS Supernova 1.3. It's the OBS fluid tip, which stands for optimized base settings, but I use it for lacquer as well. It's good for wet on wet. That's a good all-round gun as well. Then I've got the Iwata Baleria Classic Plus. This is another good all-round gun. Anything you put through this, it sprays good. Wet on wet, base, clear, it does it all. Currently I have base in it. Just used it to do a bumper corner. Based it up lovely. But this is the main gun I use for base because it's HVLP LS400, and this is a 1.3 setup as well. But I mainly just use this for base coat. And then there's a high build gun which it needs a bit of a clean, to be honest with you. Get with a HTE Gunza one, but it's not spraying right, but we're hopefully going to get the GTI primer gun this year. But this is the mixing scheme. Max Mayer water base, all the tint is here. These are the small pearls. We've got the high build here, the wet on wet here. I always try and use the right primer for the right colour. Whites and yellows has M1, which is white. M6 is dark grey, so you use that on blacks. M4s, silvers, blues. But I always try and use this chart, go off the information on here. This is the camera, the rapid match camera. This is a Ford job I did last. So you take a reading with a camera, put it into the computer, and see what it comes up with. Sometimes it takes a while. So it's come up with a number 4, number 6, 6, 7. So number 4's normally quite good. See, anything under 10's blendable. And that's what I used last. So that's the Max Mayer scheme really. We used the 0300 clear. We've got all the different hardeners. But that's the paint we use. What have we got in this cupboard? These are the trim tapes we use. Endasa lifting tape. I've got a 3M one as well. J tape. Blending tape, I like to use this. This is really good stuff. This is the old gun wash machine. It's on its way out really, it's on its last legs. Doesn't even work anymore, so I just normally rinse it just for here. But that's the little mixing room really. So just a quick video. I'd like to do a shout out as well to JR's Painthouse. You should check his channel out as well. He does some really good videos, so make sure you check out JR's Painthouse. And we'll see you next time. Peace.